Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to insert shapes in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI, insert. So these are all different shapes which you can insert. Let's pick up this shape. So all these shapes can be activated. Rotation. If you want to give any rotation, it can be done from here. Shape. The text degrees can also be changed. If you are writing some text here, its degrees can also be changed. Style. The color can be changed. Glow. So you can give the glow also. Transparency can be increased or decreased from here. How much blur, how much you want to blur it. So you can activate the action from here. So at present the action is back. So press with control and click here. So it will go on the previous page, right? It will go on the previous page. So this is all about how you can insert shapes in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.